guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a Burlington co-factory haul. Now I know it has been a long time since I've come on camera and done like a long form video. I've mainly just been doing shorts and reels and stuff like that. But I had a really good day today. Today's Saturday. I had a really good day today shopping with my mom. It was really good. So I have some haul items that I got from Burlington Co-Factory. It was a new Burlington that opened up around our area, so we went to check that out. And then I also got some finds from just like my mom and my mom's house in my old closet. So it's nice to kind of, you know, relive, kind of almost like vintage, I guess, you know. But yeah, if you're interested to see what I got today, both from Burlington and from my mom and my older clothes I used to wear and I'm rediscovering, then keep watching. All right, so first we're gonna start with the stuff I got from Burlington. I guess obviously you wanna see the coat, right? Because I needed a winter coat. So this is the coat that I got. This is a Paskin jacket. Oops, shoot. It's a Paskin jacket, just size large. And how much was it? It was $19.99. That's not bad at all. But I can show you. I like it. It is nice. I like it. It's a nice little powder pink, light pink, baby pink. You know, people say baby pink, powder pink, you know, whatever you want to call it. But I like it. I like it. So I got this, and for $20 you can't beat it. And it actually feels like kind of warm. It's not like super light, like it's actually a kind of warm jacket. So I'm really excited for that. Okay, so next, oh, I love this. I got this robe. Now me, I don't know if you've seen like other videos of me or you've seen me on any other platform. Like I really like robes. My goal was to get like a robe that has like the texture of a towel. What's it called? Like terry cloth. Like my goal was to get a robe that was like a towel. I love hotels when they have robes like that. And a robe that was just comfy, and then a robe that was like a little sexy. But I only got a robe that was comfy. It's fine. And I got this Juicy Couture pink robe. C size large. It was $19.99, but it is a nice, you know, little lounging around the house, you know, little nice pink robe, which I like, you know, like just, and also it has a hoodie. Like, how comforting does this look? How comforting does this look? Well, I got a sweater. Let me show you. I got this sweater. I love this sweater on me. I love it. It fits so well. The sleeves are nice and long. If you know me, some videos, I love long sleeves like this that can just like make me feel cozy. I love that. These two were like 3D roses, and these roses just like on the shirt. Oh wait, and the sweater. How much was the sweater? The sweater is actually probably the most expensive thing that I got, surprisingly, and I was so mad because it fits so well. It looks so, I think it's so flattering. My mom also thinks it's flattering. But this was $29.99. Like, why? I'm mad this sweater is more expensive than the coat, but I don't know. Sometimes when you see something that like really flatters you and fits well and is comfortable and everything, this is worth it. But I also got this, which is actually the opposite. This was actually the cheapest thing I got. I got this little like shirt. It's kind of like a shirt blazer type of thing. Besides clothes, I also got some like household type of things from Burlington. So I like the white with like gold streaks like this, but I also like, I love pink. I love pink. I've always loved pink. But I like also pink with like stripes like this. So it has a comforter. Pillow shams, and a decorative pillow. So let's see how this pillow looks. Let me see. I'm gonna take it out. Ah, it's so cute. I got a little heart pillow. So cute. I love this. And I also really needed like a clothes hamper. Like, I should not be putting my dirty clothes in anything else besides the hamper. So I don't want to embarrass myself, but I got this hamper. See, it's nice, pretty pink with a bow. This little hamper is actually, it's not little at all. It's actually pretty big. And this was, just see, and this was $14.99. So not bad at all. But I got a clothes hamper that I desperately needed. So that's all I pretty much got from Burlington. Total, I paid $135.94. So the most expensive thing was the comforter, which I expect, which is $34.99. But I like the comforter. I like that brand. What was it? WateRbaby, however you want to say it. But I like that brand, and I think it looks really classy. Or I think it looks really elegant, I guess you could say. So I don't think that's too bad for $135. And I got 2 shirts I can wear. I have a jacket, not a jacket, a coat I can wear because that coat is actually pretty warm. And I have a really nice like pink robe. And what lady doesn't like a robe? Like, I love walking around the house in a robe. It just makes you feel good. All right, so now let's get to the clothes that I got from my mom, and or I guess you could say like the old me, pretty much, the clothes I had before. I'm not a big hat girl. Like, if you know me, you're not gonna catch me wearing a lot of hats. Like, unless you want to kind of wig as a hat. But you're not gonna see me wearing a lot of hats. But I got this hat from my mom. My mom is a hat girl. She loves hats. Got this hat, and honestly, her logic was true. It was like, honestly, I had to kind of just keep my hair from blowing in the wind when it's like cold out. It's a good point. But I got this little, what is it, benet? But let me see. Let me see. I personally like it. I like the hat. I think it's cute. And also from my mom, I got this little like red trench coat. So this is the actual jacket. You can see it's like, not super long, but like kind of long. It definitely like covers my behind, but it's a nice little jacket. My mom, where did she get it from? What brand is this? London Fog. Oh, you guys remember London Fog? If you're H&M girl and stuff, you know London Fog. So it's a London Fog jacket, which isn't too bad. London Fog has some good stuff, especially when it comes to like trench coats or just like coats, you know, like that. London Fog has always been really good with that type of stuff. So London Fog, and it is, let me see. I'll get some the buttons. Yeah, I really like the jacket. I like it. It's a little bit big, but I like being and feeling cozy, you know, in the winter time. And then I also got some pocketbooks. Now some of these pocketbooks, I don't know what you call it, pocketbook, purse, handbag, I don't know. I'm just so used to the same pocketbook, but I got a few of them. Now some of them are mine. Okay, so this one, I left it in, you know, my mom's house in my old closet, but this one is a Bessie Johnson pocketbook that I don't even know what year I got this. At least probably maybe like 2015 probably, but you know how fashion repeats itself, so hopefully it repeats itself because I really like this pocketbook. But you open it up, it's really cute. It has like that middle pocket, it has the back pocket, it has like almost like a wallet, like the stuff for like all your cards and stuff. Now this my mom gave me. I don't know where she got this. Probably Ross. Probably Ross, but I like it because it is just like, I love the green. You know, I am a pink and green girly. So I love the green. This looks so cute with something that's pink. I have like a pink blazer that I think will look really cute with this if I'm like going for that pink and green type of theme, you know. But it's what, I don't know who this is, Nanette Lepore. I'm not sure if that's a big name or not. I doubt it. But it's cute. Inside it has like that kind of like, you know, grid pattern. Some room for your cards and stuff, which I like. And yeah, just like a simple green purse with the bow on top. Cause I'm a present. It's the last bag. I like a good mustard. I don't know. I wear a lot of reds, burgundies, like just red undertone type of things always look really good. I think with my skin complexion from what I've, you know, seen or from what I've experienced. This is from H&M. This might be mine then. This is from H&M. This actually might be mine. I might have bought this from H&M on like a, I just need like a plain pocketbook to go with this shirt I bought. But I like mustard. So mustard I think also looks good if you are really good with like, if you really like favor like red undertones or warm undertones, mustard's a good complement to a lot of colors that will look good with you. So all right, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's my little Saturday haul. I really like this new Burlington. I found some good finds, and I'm also very grateful for the products or clothes, I guess you could say, that my mom gifted me and that I revisited from my past, because fashion always repeats itself, just like history, I guess, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.